Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful, very simple and very fast bracelet. You can customize the bracelet with other colors, more knots or more beads to make it on your own. So get your supplies and let's get started. First of all, cut 4 strands of the same length. Mine are 25 centimeters long, but you might need more. Just keep in mind that my wrist is very thin. Now keep all the strands together and make a loop like this. And come through the loop with all the strands together, remember. Well, as you can see, this is a very simple knot. Easy peasy. Now you have to insert a bead in every single strand. In total, it's going to be 8 beads, 4 in one side and 4 in the other. I am using 6mm beads with a really big hole, but of course, use the ones you like the most. Now you have to make a heavy line knot. It's very simple, but you need to pay attention. Grab whatever cord you want, it doesn't matter which one, and keep the rest of the cords next to your finger. Now wrap the cord forwards, like keeping everything together, like that. And now backwards. Wrap a couple of times more, backwards by the way. And being very careful, you have to remove your finger and go through all the loops. Now pull the cord gently to tighten. As you can see, I'm holding that wrap just to keep it nice and tidy. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. It's completely normal. Just try it again and I'm sure you'll get it. Okay, no worry. Let's do it one more time. Just choose whatever cord you want and leave it aside. Now hold all the strands together next to your finger and wrap the cord you chose like this. One time. And now backward, making that cross. Here you can see it. 3 times, for example. I think that for this type of cord, 3 wrappings is enough, but you can wrap it more times if you want. If you wrap it more time, this knot is going to be longer. So once you are done with the wrapping, just remove carefully your finger and go through the loops. And now pull gently to tighten. Remember, do it little by little, there's no need to rush. And always trying to keep all those cords tidy. And this is how it should look. Isn't it beautiful? I think it is. And now you have to get one of these findings. These ones are the cheapest, but of course you can use the ones you like. Now measure your wrist. Mine is 15 centimeters long. And now you have to subtract the measure of the clasp to find out your measurement. So my wrist is 15 centimeters long. The clasp I'm using is 2.5 centimeters long. This means that the rest of my bracelet must measure about 13 centimeters. Just simple math. So whenever you have it clear, cut the cords. Now place all the cords in line, just to make it look nice, and add the clasp. It's that easy. These types of clasps are just pressure clasps, so it's very easy. Use your pliers to apply some pressure and that's it. All you have to do is to tighten it. You can add some glue if you wanted, but in my opinion it's not necessary. Well, and actually we are done. This is the bracelet. What do you think of mine? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.